Joy Ma Bagala Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vigyan. By the grace of Ma Bagala Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. And I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today, 3rd November 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, it will not be appropriate to take any kind of risk in terms of money, and you might buy some new clothes and jewelry during this whole day. And obviously your mind will be a little restless during this day, and the people in society will be very unhappy with your actions, your behaviors in this day. So be careful about these things, and you might attend any good or auspicious event during this whole day, and you will spend some money on some entertainment purpose during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today, fill a pot with some water before starting your daily routine or before going to any important work during this day. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. In this day, you will be able to manage your daily tasks very well, and your relations with your life partner, love partner will be more cordial during this day, and your advice and words will get a lot of importance in your office, your business place, workplace, etc. And there are some strong chances of getting the expected benefits in your business during this day, and some long time economic problem will be solved today very easily. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously refrain from eating alcoholic and meats also. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. In this day, due to overconfidence, some things might go very wrong in your life, and some disputes may arise in your family during this whole day. So be careful about these things, and obviously try to control your unnecessary expenses during this day. And obviously you will be under some stress due to not completing the work on time. So be careful about these things also, and you will be very worried about your life partner's health also. Your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day, throw some rice in some running water or river or in any pond, and obviously doing by these things you will get a very good results in your life. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. Some expected profit will increase in the business by your efforts during this day, and you will get rid of family problems, every kind of problems, and your confidence will increase very much during this day, and there are some chances of having some unexpected monetary gain in your life. and obviously you will be very interested in some philanthropy. Your worries about your life partner, love partner, health will be removed during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, while bathing, obviously sit on a rock and then take your bath. And doing by these things, you will get a very good result to success your career. Then let's talk about Leo, the 5th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will get some unexpected monetary gain also, and your social relations will increase very much during this whole day, and the health will remain very weak. Be careful about these things, and you may have to travel due to some domestic work, and the time has come to recover the old losses in your life. And obviously there will be some ups and downs in your personal relationships during this whole day. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, at the beginning of the day, feed any black cow, but remember, be cautious that the cow should be black, no white spot will be on his body. Then let's talk about the 6th sign of the zodiac, Virgo. In this day, the students will not be interested in their studies, and obviously do not put your feelings above principles. And you may have a fight with the boss in the office or your workplace, and you should avoid every kind of risky investment in your life during this day, and you will get a very good support from your elder brothers and sisters. And your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today at the beginning of the day, throw a coconut in some running water or river or in any kind of pond, and doing by these things you will get a very good result in your life. Then let's talk about the 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. In this day, you will be very cautious about your reputation in your society, your workplace, office, etc. And there might be some disputes over ancestral property. But do not deviate from your plan, or your will suffer in this day. And obviously protect yourself from dehydrations also. And obviously be careful while using machines during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, I mean to say at the beginning of the day, distribute some salty foods to the needy. Then start your daily routine. Now let's talk about the Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. In this day, stars advise you to be careful in every kind of transactions in your life, and you might get some handsome gain in your business. And obviously your life partner's support will help you a lot during this day, and there will be an atmosphere of happiness and peace in your house also. And obviously you might meet some old friend during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, pour the rum into some running water or a river or in any kind of pond. Then start your daily routine. Now let's talk about the Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. In this day, the money that you had lent someone might get back today, and you will be very busy all the day with varieties of work. And do not rely on anyone at the workplace. Your mood will be very good during this day, and you might change your working style during this day, and obviously it will be very good for you. But keep your expenses less than your earnings during this whole day. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day, feed 3 dogs at any cost, and the dogs doesn't matter which color it is. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you might participate in some social event, and if you do this, it will be very good for you. And your love mate will help to boost your morale during this day. And the stars are advise you to make an effort to save every kind of relationships in your life. Your financial condition will be very weak during this day. So be careful about these things, and do not make children angry, but give them time. You will be inclined towards higher education, and obviously it will be very good to you. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, if you bury some antimony in the ground, then you will improve your workplace. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. In this day, there may be some obstacles in the work you are doing in a partnership. So be careful about these things. And the heart patient should take a special care of their health during the whole day. The burden of the responsibilities will certainly increase in your job or in your business. So also be careful about these things, and do not overstate small things. Your sleep may be affected. So be careful. And your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day, donate some mustard oil to the needy for your continuous good health. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. Some dispute related to property will be resolved very easily during this day, and your financial conditions also will improve very much during this day, and you will get a very good benefits from government officials also, and there will be attractions in your personality for the whole day. And today will be very happy and a peaceful day in your life. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, go to any temple, but careful, go by barefoot. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action, and I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day. Let Emma keep everyone well and keep them healthy, and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today. I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.